The Ferrari 488 Pista, launched in 2023, boasts the most powerful V8 in Ferrari history. This extreme evolution of the turbo engine, which was elected the overall International Engine of the Year in 2016 and 2017, provides a power increase of 50 horsepower over the 488 GTB. The car can punch out 720 horsepower at 8,000 revolutions per minute, 770 Newton-meters of torque. Horsepower at 8,000 RPM, and its torque is higher at all engine speeds, peaking at 770 Newton-meters. The engine air intake layout and other new features have been adopted from the 488 Challenge, contributing to the increase in power. The 488 Pista also stands out for its aerodynamic performance. It draws upon Ferrari's motorsports experience with racing solutions such as the front F1-inspired S-Duct and a redesigned underbody vortex generators. The rear diffuser incorporates the same double kink as the 488 GTE to increase air extraction and downforce generation, and the rear-blown spoiler is higher and longer. These enhancements result in a notable 20% increase in downforce, optimizing the car's road performance. Lightweight solutions are another highlight of the Pista. It is 90 kilograms lighter than the 488 GTB, a factor that significantly improves agility and responsiveness. The weight reductions are focused on the most weight-sensitive areas of the car. The body shell features ultralight materials such as carbon fiber for the engine cover, bumpers and rear spoiler, and Lexan for the rear window. This model also introduces a single-piece carbon fiber wheel rim into the Ferrari range for the first time, which is around 40% lighter than the 488 GTB's standard wheel rims. The Pista's design is inspired by the racing world. The dolphin tail rear spoiler seems to be suspended, adding an impression of lightness and efficiency, while the rear volumes contribute to a powerful aesthetic. Optional 20-inch carbon fiber wheel rims and other carbon fiber parts like the engine cover, bumpers, and rear spoiler underline the car's extreme purpose. The aerodynamic S-duct at the front visually shortens the car's nose, creating an original floating wing effect. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.